Okay, fine. So I think you all can hear me. It's a request. All of you just mute your microphones. At the same time, don't type anything in chat box right now. After completing the demo, to give the time. So at that time, you can clarify your queries. Okay. Okay then. So now let's start the demo. We are calling this course as Data and Business Analytics with Generative AI. So data and business analytics with generative AI, machine learning. Okay. And also it includes pay after placement program. And before starting the demo class, first we are going to discuss with regarding fee details. Important. Okay. So important notes. So here, this offer, whatever the 8,000 price we mentioned, so that offer is applicable only for online training. So only for online training, but online and classroom sessions run simultaneously. So that means at a time we are going to have classroom as well as online. Only fee differs, rest everything is what? Same. So training, benefits, placement support, okay, everything is same. Only fee differs. At a time, we are going to teach for both classroom and online students. So only the fee differs. Training quality, live classes, so here only the fee differs between classroom and online. Training quality, live classes, LMS access, and placement support, everything is same. Okay. So regarding the special offer details, online training offer applicable. So the fee will be total 8,000. So the course fee is 8,000 and the total duration of this course is what? 6 months, and daily you will be having 1 hour class. So in SIVASOFT, 1 hour means if you compare with other training institutes, which is equal to 2 hours. Okay. So I will explain later how in SIVASOFT 1 hour means equal to 2 hours in other training institutes. And also in this entire course, you are going to get 20 projects. Okay. So regarding classroom training, there is no offer. Offer in the sense the price is going to differ. So the course fee for this classroom training is 18,000, and the duration, projects, live classes, portal access, nothing but LMS access where you are going to watch the videos, placement support, training quality, everything is same. Okay. Online and classroom, only the fee differs, everything is same. Okay. Fine. Other than this, nothing is there. 8,000 price offer is applicable only for online training. So now coming to SIVASOFT Technologies Private Limited. So actually SIVASOFT started in 2012. So now it is 2026. Currently we are celebrating 14th anniversary. Because of this reason, online training fee, we are charging just 8,000. Earlier we used to charge 18,000. So now just it is 8,000 only. Okay, because we are celebrating 14th anniversary, and also it includes additionally pay after placement program. So pay after placement program. So this is applicable for both classroom and online. Okay. Online students are going to pay 8,000. Classroom students are going to pay 18,000. Okay. Fine. And also SIVASOFT is an ISO 9001 2015 certified company. ISO means International Organization for Standardization. And SIVASOFT located in flat number 416, classrooms and lab, and flat number 417, admin department. Okay, so located at Annapurna block, Aditya Enclave, near Amirpet Metro Station, Hyderabad, India. So this is our location. And coming to myself, so I am Siva. I am having overall 15 plus years of experience. So till now, I completed 80 plus batches on data and business analytics and full stack data science. So both I am going to teach. Okay. And this is my 85th batch. I am going to start from core Python onwards. So in this data and business analytics, so first we are going to start core Python. Okay. So I am not only a trainer, I am doing job. At the same time, I own this SIVASOFT. So because of 14th anniversary celebrations, so we are providing only online some special price like 8,000. Okay. And regarding today's demo, we are going to have only overview of the program. So today we are going to have only overview of this data and business analytics with what? Generative AI and machine learning. So whatever. So today we are going to have only overview. So technically we are not going to discuss anything in today's demo case. Okay. But don't miss the tomorrow's demo case. So this particular demo 2, we are calling as technical demo. So technical demo, what we are going to cover means, so what exactly data and business analytics, okay, and what we are going to learn and how we are going to work. So clearly we are going to discuss in tomorrow's technical demo session. Okay. So today we are going to have only overview of the program, and tomorrow we are going to have a technical demo. After attending the technical demo tomorrow, then by tomorrow 10:30 p.m. we are going to close admissions for both classroom as well as online. Okay. After that, as usual, so we are going to start our regular classes. Same time we are going to have our regular classes. So that means today we are going to have overview of the program, and tomorrow we are going to have technical demo, and by tomorrow 10:30 p.m. we are going to close the admissions. After that, same time we are going to have our regular classes. Okay. For all paid students, I am going to create a new Google Meet link, and I am going to share. Even our admin team, they were going to share my personal WhatsApp number also. Okay, fine. So now we are going to start overview of this particular program. So demo 1. So don't miss the tomorrow's technical demo. So don't miss tomorrow's technical demo. Okay. So the course name we are calling as Data and Business Analytics with Generative AI and machine learning, and also it includes what? Pay after placement program. Okay, so in SIVASOFT, the biggest advantage is what? Lifetime. So lifetime means how many times you want you can attend live classes. There is no any restrictions. Okay, let's say, so this time you completed Power BI or you completed Microsoft Power Automate. Okay, Microsoft SQL Server, whatever. So already you completed in your batch timing. But again, you wanna attend in other batches also. It's possible. Okay. So like this, how many times you want, you can attend live classes. And also you are going to get video access. So that means each and every live class, we are going to record, we are going to edit, then we are going to upload videos in our LMS portal. So LMS means Learning Management System. So video access means it is not just like so recording and giving access to Google Drive or uploading anywhere. It is not like that. Here we are going to follow a professional format, something like what? Utilizing LMS features. Okay. So now I am going to show how our LMS portal looks like. The first point, lifetime. So lifetime, you can attend live classes and you can watch the videos. Now I'm going to open our LMS portal. So this is our LMS portal. So once if you pay the fee, then we are going to do the portal access, nothing but to our LMS portal access, where you can watch the videos. Along with that, you'll be having assignments, quizzes, and so many other benefits. Okay. So let's say, so I'm going to click on enrolled courses, Python, for example. This particular data so belongs to previous month and current month. Okay, so this data belongs to previous month and current month. So nearly 302 students enrolled in our institute regarding core Python. See, this core Python is not only for data analytics people, right? So data analytics, okay, and next one, data science, and even full stack Python. For all these three people, Python is common initially. So in this 302 students, previous month and current month, okay. So all these students are going to include, okay. And if you click on curriculum, you can see. So this particular videos belongs to only core Python. After that, advanced Python, NumPy, Excel, or any other. Okay. So now whatever, so I'm going to click on continue. From here, you are going to watch the videos. So you can play the video. Also, see, along with live classes, you are going to get the portal access also. Okay. At the bottom, you can see what? So at the bottom, you can see here running notes also. That means whatever I am going to type in this particular video or even in our live classes, that running notes also you can find here itself. Okay. So here, not only just watching videos, along with that, you will be having what? Assignments. So after some classes or after some videos, you will be having what? Assignments. Okay. And also, at last, you will be having quizzes also. At last, you will be having quizzes also. Let's say in this core Python, 182 questions. And also, at the time of watching the video, click on discussions, click on comment, and from here, you can ask your query. Is it clear, right? Okay, so I'm going to check your query, and based on that, I'm going to give the reply. Actually, whatever I open, this is our admin account. Is it clear, right? Okay, so I think you got some clarification about LMS portal also. And lifetime, you can attend live classes, and lifetime, you can watch the videos. Even if you start watching the videos after 10 years, you can watch the videos with updated syllabus. Okay. And next, Coming to the doubts clarification. See, this is just a demo class. So because of this reason, after completing the demo class, I'm going to give the time. At that time, you can clarify all your queries. But in live classes, it is not like that. Even after explaining a small topic, let's say it's a 2 minutes or a 5 minutes, it doesn't matter. Okay, after completing each and every even small topic also, I am going to ask any doubts. If students have any doubts, I am going to clarify. Otherwise, I'll move to the next topic. So like that, we are going to have, okay, so doubts clarification in our live classes. And also, once if you pay the fee, our admin team, they were going to share my personal WhatsApp number. Even in WhatsApp also, you can clarify. And also, just now only, I showed regarding LMS portal where you can ask your doubts or queries. Okay. And next, coming to the lab. So regarding classroom students, anyhow, so they were going to come to our institute to attend live classes as usual. Lab also they can utilize. So Monday to Saturday, lab timings will be 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. and Sundays also lab available for 3 hours. Regarding online students, don't worry about lab. Why means your PC. So now here, in case of online, nothing but online students, no need to worry about lab. So your PC, whether it is a desktop or laptop, it doesn't matter. Your PC is nothing but what? Your lab. And also each and every software is what? Free. So I'm going to explain how to download the software and how to install in your computers and how you can practice. And also clearly I said, so this special offer available only for online training, not for classroom training. See, regarding online students, so now you all people are attending online demo. So that means you are attending this demo class in online, right? Okay. So in this scenario, you people are using your machine, nothing but your desktop or laptop, your AC, your power bill, your internet connection. So everything is yours. So because of this reason, we are able to provide with some less fees like 8,000. But classroom is not like that. In lab, we need to maintain highly configured PCs, obviously AC bill, power bill. Okay, of course, power AC, whatever, we can't separate it. Okay. And even in lab, some lab coordinators will be there. We need to pay them salaries. So because of all these calculations, in case of classroom, the fee is 18,000. In case of online, you people are just listening the classes. Everything is yours. Your desktop, your laptop, your power bill, your AC, everything is yours. So because of this reason only, we are able to reduce the price for the online students. Is it clear, right? Okay, fine. And the next, so in SIVASOFT, it is not just like attending live classes and watching videos. Along with that, you will be having what? Assignments, quizzes, code assessment. So code assessments means at the time of interviews, they'll be asking you people to write some query, or otherwise they'll be giving some data, some dummy data or sample data. They'll be asking to create a great interactive dashboards by using Power BI or Tableau. So they can give anything. So do some data cleaning by using Power Query. Okay, so write some docs functions. So they can do anything. Even in Python also, they'll be asking use pandas to clean the data. So they can do anything. Okay, all those code assessments we are going to discuss. Okay, and next, interview question and answers. So based on the module wise, let's say core Python, advanced Python, NumPy, pandas, Power BI, SQL Server, MongoDB, whatever. Okay, so based on each and every module, you will be having interview question and answers. And also each and every student will get nearly 10 plus mock interviews. And these mock interviews we are going to conduct on Saturdays and Sundays, 1-to-1. Okay. And for each student, we are going to take 30 minutes time. and we are going to record the video for our future reference. Okay, so then after this, you will be having a resume preparation, and next LinkedIn profile creation. Okay, so next you will be having 100% placement. 100% placement support until you get job. So regarding this placement support, observe carefully. First, again, we are going to discuss with about some fee details. Only the fee differs. Training quality, live classes, LMS access, placement support, everything is same. Okay. And the special offer details, you know, online training fee is 8,000 and classroom training will be 18,000. And also clearly I explained why we are unable to provide offer price in case of classroom. That also I discussed at this place. Okay, fine. So then again, what exactly pay after placement program? So initially you are going to pay these fees, okay, based on your online or offline, nothing but classroom training. Then after completing your course, okay, pay after placement program also is. So what exactly this pay after placement program? Okay, so actually in case of SIVASOFT, we are maintaining a separate placement cell. So we used to call it as SSPC. SSPC means SIVASOFT placement cell. So in this particular placement cell, so nearly 7+ team members are working on this particular team. The main aim of this placement cell is what? Interacting with companies, get some placement requirements or internships or whatever. And also we are going to have tie-ups with companies all over India. So the main aim of this particular placement cell is what? Interacting with companies, conducting interviews in SIVASOFT, okay, or sometimes walk-ins. See, small companies only, they were going to come to our institute to conduct interviews. So let's say Wipro, Tech Mahindra, Infosys. So those top MNCs, they were not going to come to our institute. Okay, small companies only, they were going to come to our institute. But top MNCs means walk-ins. Okay, even sometimes virtual interviews also. This is something like what? A rare case. But we are going to give the guarantee for these things. Virtual interviews, it's completely a rare case. Is it clear? Okay. So whatever the requirement we are going to get, whether it is walk-ins or whenever we are going to conduct interviews in our institute, we are going to inform to all the students. And also, if you are available in Hyderabad, then only come and attend interviews in SIVASOFT. Suppose you are not in Hyderabad, don't worry, you will be having walk-ins options also. And also, we are going to show the placements all over India. Okay. So after discussing some other points, at last, I am going to show all the list of those companies. So now what exactly this pay after placement program means? Suppose if you get job with the help of SIVASOFT. Suppose if you get job with the help of SIVASOFT. Let's say with the help of SIVASOFT means whatever the tie-up companies we are having, right? So in these companies, you got the placement. And your package is less than 5 LPA, then no need to pay any amount. Okay. Suppose your package is more than 5 LPA, then you need to pay 15,000. When you need to pay this amount means after receiving your first salary. And this is completely what? One-time payment. Okay. So initially for online, you are going to pay 8,000, classroom 18,000, and you are going to get the entire course for 6 months and 20 projects. After completing your course, again pay after placement program also is there. Suppose with the help of SIVASOFT, you got some less than 5 LPA, no need to pay any amount. You got the package more than 5 LPA, then you need to pay 15,000. When you need to pay this? After receiving your first salary. And this is completely one-time payment. Let's say as a fresher, you got, let's say 7.2 LPA with the help of SIVASOFT only. So with the help of SIVASOFT only, you got the package. Some good package. Above 5 LPA, you got nothing but 7.2 LPA. But you don't want to pay this 15,000. No problem. Leave it. So initially, you paid 8,000 for online, 18,000 for classroom. So that is more than enough for us. And even we are very happy you got some good package, but you don't want to pay this amount. Leave it. No problem. Okay. But those who pay this 15,000 only for those students. So those who pay 15,000 only for those students, we are going to provide 6 months work support. So work support means once if you join in any of the companies, they are going to assign some task or work, okay, in Jira board or whatever they are going to use. If you are able to do the task, do it. Otherwise, you can come to our institute, or otherwise through online also you can take the support. And this work support, we are going to provide only Saturdays and Sundays. And the timings will be 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So nearly 10 plus team members are going to be available in our institute. Okay. You can take the support through online or offline. You can come to our institute by using Google Meet or Zoom also, you can take the work support. Is it clear, right? And also these team members are nothing but what? SIVASOFT old students, nothing but your seniors. Is it clear, right? Okay, see, once you people also, with the help of SIVASOFT, so you got some job. And once if you complete minimum 2 years, then we are going to contact you people. If you are interested, you can come to our institute and you can do the support. Okay. And also, nobody will come to our institute support for free, right? We need to pay them. Even you people also. In future, after 2 years, okay. So definitely you are in a good position. So Monday to Friday, okay, you are going to do the jobs. Saturday and Sunday, your valuable time you are giving to our SIVASOFT existing students. Okay. So in that case, we need to pay them or we need to pay you. Is it clear? Right? So in this scenario, okay, we are going to charge this 15,000. Is it clear? Right? Okay. So again, see here, if your package is less than 5 LPA, no need to pay anything. If your package is more than 5 LPA, then you need to pay 15,000. Suppose you got some good package, so more than 5 LPA, so but you don't want to pay this 15,000, just leave it. But those who pay 15,000, only for those students, we are going to give the work support on Saturdays and Sundays. So timings will be 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. These team members are nothing but your senior students. Maybe in future, you people also are going to give the work support. So in this case, we are going to pay you or otherwise to our old students. So I think you got some clarification about pay after placement program. Is it clear? Right? Okay. So now I'm going to show the list of companies and recently placed students, current month and previous. Okay. So first I'm going to show the list of companies. And also here, it is not possible to show. So it is not possible to show all the company contact details. It is not possible to show. So that is the reason I'm hiding that. And all over India, we are going to show the placements. Okay, just 1 second. So here you can see on the left side, company name, on the right side, location. Okay. So now scroll, you can see left side company name, right side location. So in between some contact details, it is not possible to show. Okay, so right now our team, nothing but SSPC, SIVASOFT placement cell team contacted nearly 1060 companies. Still, okay, so our team is even contacting even more companies. Our next target is to reach 1500 plus companies. Okay, so then after this, what we are going to cover in this particular course? So course curriculum. So as usual, first you are going to have core Python and then advanced Python, libraries for data analytics. So we are going to cover numerical Python and next pandas, and next you are going to have matplotlib, statistics, machine learning, then here SQL. So here we are going to cover Microsoft SQL Server. See, so many SQL based databases we are having, like Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle SQL, and next MySQL, PostgreSQL. Like this, we are having so many SQL databases. Okay, here no need to learn all. Once if you know any one, you can work with anything. But here our priority is for what? Microsoft SQL Server. So I will explain the reason also why I am going to explain Microsoft SQL Server. Okay, just wait for it. So in some companies, they were expecting what? No SQL databases also. So in this case, we are going to cover MongoDB. So in this case, we are going to cover MongoDB. So companies are giving priority, okay, to Microsoft SQL Server and MongoDB. Okay, but we are having some other NoSQL databases also. It doesn't matter. Here SQL Server and here MongoDB. Once if you know any one, easily you can work with any other databases. Okay, and next you are going to have Microsoft Excel. Here we are going to cover both basic and advanced. Then after this, Microsoft Power BI. Next, Microsoft Cloud. And next, Microsoft Power Automate. So if you see in this particular data and business analytics course, okay, so most of the tools belongs to Microsoft only. So because of this reason, I am explaining here Microsoft SQL Server. So simple conclusion. Okay. And next you are going to have Tableau. So 95% of the companies, they are going to prefer Power BI only. Okay, just 5% only Tableau. But here we are going to cover in-depth Tableau. So don't worry about it. Okay, because we don't know, right? We'll be working on which companies. But 95% of the companies, they were going to prefer always Power BI. And next, as usual, latest generative AI tools. See, regarding AI tools, we are having so many. But companies' first priority is what? Microsoft Copilot. Companies' first priority is what? Copilot. Even if you don't know ChatGPT, Gemini, or any other AI tools, also no problem. Company's first priority is what? Copilot. Only Copilot is enough. But here we are going to cover other AI tools like ChatGPT as well as Gemini. And also I am having, okay, all subscriptions, nothing but I am having all pro versions. Okay, so because of this reason, okay, even you are going to learn even more subject. There is a lot of difference, okay, between free version and pro versions. I am going to explain with pro versions. Okay, and also from first onwards I am highlighting, okay, 20 projects, 20 projects, 20 projects. Okay, so what are those 20 projects? So but here another important point is there, 10 projects only I am going to explain in live classes. Okay, so remaining 10 projects I am going to provide videos. You need to watch those as a student. You need to watch the videos and you need to do projects. So by taking support or help, whatever we call, from me or from our team. Okay, 10 projects I am going to explain. Remaining 10 projects you need to do. So what are those projects? Healthcare. I'm going to explain the projects on each and every domain. Okay, healthcare, banking. Why means we don't know we'll be working on which companies. So that's the reason we are going to cover all domains. And also in these 20 projects, I'm going to keep voting. So in any batch, I'm going to keep voting. Based on that, I'm going to pick those 10 projects. But remaining also, we are going to have, but I'm going to provide videos. Okay. So retail, telecom. So in all domains, I am going to cover the projects. Here the important point is wherever data is available. So you see, even for our training institute also, we need what? DA engineers, data analytics engineers. Here, in wherever data is there, they need data analytics engineers. So that's the reason I'm going to cover all domains. Transportation, and next food. Today we are going to have only overview of the program, and tomorrow we are going to have the technical demo. Don't miss the technical demo tomorrow, and by tomorrow 10:30 p.m. we are going to close the admissions. So after that we are going to have our regular classes. We are having some official websites where we can get the data. For example, kaggle.com, that is one of the familiar website where we can get the data. Okay. Wherever data is available, there we are going to work. Last, entertainment. Okay. These 20 projects belongs to different domains. So then who are eligible to learn this particular? So let's say you are a final year student, any graduate. Any graduate means whether 3 years or 4 years. So many people, they're having some confusion. Okay, let's say I completed B Pharmacy, so I belongs to BBA. So it doesn't matter if you are having a 3 years degree or 4 years BE BTech, you all are eligible. Okay, it doesn't matter you belongs to civil, electrical, mechanical, B Pharmacy. They don't bother about all those. And also see the projects list. Okay. So let's say, so you completed some B pharmacy. That knowledge is going to helpful in healthcare sector. Is it clear? Right? So if you see here regarding projects, let's say you belongs to civil background. So you belongs to mechanical background. So it doesn't matter. So that's the reason only any graduate is eligible. Even open degree also eligible, but that open degree should be 3 years, then only eligible. Okay. So even you can also try with experience. So let's say you are having an experience as a Java developer or a .NET developer, SAP, service now. So because of this AI, so many people, they were losing their jobs, or even testing. All these people are also eligible to upskill data and business analytics course. You all are eligible. Okay. So next, non-IT to IT. So let's say you are doing some non-IT jobs like customer care, BPO, marketing, whatever. You all are eligible. Let's say you are having some career gap. So then you also eligible. Is it clear, right? Okay. And next, after completing this course, you are going to get 2 certificates. Soft copies you are going to get. Okay, we are going to share the certificates through WhatsApp or email, whatever. Okay, so here you are going to get course completion certificates and also internship certificate. See, here there is no any specific time duration for the internship. So there is no any specific time duration for the internship. But why we are providing means it's very simple. I am explaining 10 projects. Anyhow, you people are doing 10 projects. So because of this reason, we are providing additionally internship certificate also. So why we are providing means it is something like a proof that you did some projects. And also nowadays, those who are having internship certificates, those people are going to get jobs very easily. For example, let's say only one job is there. Only one job is there. Let's say Ajay student performed interview well. Okay, one of the student. Okay, but he is not having any internship. He performed well. Let's say Vijay, another student, also performed well. Okay, but he is having what? Internship. So internship means what? He is having a proof. Vijay is having a proof that he did some projects earlier. Okay, and also only one job is there. Let's say those who are going to take the interviews, whether it is a something like a tech panel, nothing but an interview panel or HR, they need to give some clarification to their higher authorities why they selected Vijay, because both performed well. Both performed well. Only one job is there. HR or the interview panel, all these people, they need to give the explanation to their higher authorities why they selected Vijay. It's very simple. Simply what they were going to tell, Ajay and Vijay both performed well, but Vijay is having internship. Is it clear, right? Okay, fine. I think you got some clarification. So I think you all people got the clarification about importance of internship certificate. Okay, and next, already I said all of you in SIVASOFT 1 hour which is equal to 2 hours. So 1 hour which is equal to 2 hours. So how? Okay, so it's very simple. See, in other training institutes, let's assume that 60 minutes class, for example. So in other training institutes, so 30 minutes they were going to explain, remaining 30 minutes as a student, you need to write what? Notes and programs. Okay, so that means, so there also 6 months duration, even in SIVASOFT also 6 months duration. Some institutes they were telling 4 months also. I don't know how it is possible to complete this much huge syllabus within 4 months. Okay, so definitely it is going to take 6 months. Okay, fine. So whatever it may be, so in other training institutes, they were wasting almost half of the time. Half of the time they are going to explain. Remaining half of the time they were wasted. For example, see here. So I wrote here so much of running notes, right? So I asked all of you to write these notes. Some students they'll be writing in 20 minutes, some students they'll be writing in 30 minutes. That means almost half of the time is wasted. So, but in SIVASOFT, it is not like that. So in SIVASOFT, 60 minutes class means nothing but 1 hour class means complete 1 hour I'm going to explain. Okay. And also each and everything I'm going to type. So as a trainer, so I'm going to type notes and programs. Only the thing is here what? As a student, no need to write notes and programs in live class. So only explanation only regarding notes, programs. Anyhow, we are having what? Our LMS portal. Here only you can find the running notes and everything. Okay, even videos also. So each and every live class, I'm going to record and I'm going to type. So because of this specific reason only, in SIVASOFT 1 hour equal to 2 hours. So that means, so 1 year course, we are learning just in 6 months. Okay, by saving this valuable time. Is it clear? Right? So because of this reason only, if you compare with other institutes, in SIVASOFT 1 hour class means is equal to 2 hours to other institutes. It's a 1 year course we are completing in 6 months. Is it clear? Right? Okay. And the next thing is, so many people they'll be having a confusion. So I'm a 2021 passed out, 2018 passed out, 2024 passed out, whether I'm eligible or not. Here, I want to give one simple clarification. Let's assume that we are having 100 companies, nothing but some 100% of companies. Okay. And also this is applicable only whenever your age is less than 30 years. If your age is 30 also, okay, you are not eligible. Of course, you are eligible, but I need to know some history about you. Then only I can suggest. Okay. So whenever your age is less than 30, then only this concept is applicable. Okay. Assume that in whole over world, we are having 100 companies. In that, so 10 companies or otherwise 10% of companies, they were going to consider, okay, current year like 2026, 2025, and 2024 as a fresher. They are going to conduct interviews. Okay, remaining 10% of the companies, they will consider some companies 4 years, some companies 5 years. Let's consider here 5 years. Let's say 2026, 2025, 2024, and 2023 and 2022. I'm considering 4 or 5 years, whatever, as a fresher. So remaining 80% of the companies, they bother about only skills. So they don't bother, let's say you need to complete degree in 3 years, but you completed in 5 years. Let's say BE BTech you need to complete in 4 years, but you completed in 7 years. So they don't bother about all those. They don't bother about career gap. They don't bother about, okay, earlier you worked in non-IT. They don't bother about all those. Just here, skills matters. Only the thing is your age should be less than 30. And also here, I am not telling that if your age is above 30, you are not eligible. So what I am trying to tell here is, with the help of SIVASOFT, if you need placement, then it is mandatory your age should be less than. Outside, you can try by your own, even if you are having more age also. Okay. So whenever you are having less than 30, so then only you are eligible for placement program. Suppose if your age is above 30, after completing this demo class, ping me. So 996368924. So this is our WhatsApp number. So just ping me. So please don't make a call, because after completing this demo at a time, I used to get continuous calls. I can't answer all calls at a time, right? So that's the reason. Just ping me in WhatsApp. Okay, then I'm going to give reply. After that, we can have a call. So it doesn't matter. Is it clear? Okay, fine. So at that time, I'll be knowing about your history, then I can suggest. Okay. So to learn the course, no age restriction. With the help of SIVASOFT, if you need placement support means this is mandatory. Suppose if your age is above 30, just okay, ping me on WhatsApp. I'm going to know about your history. Based on that, I can suggest. Is it clear? Right? Okay, fine. And also next, another important point is, so nowadays, so because of AI, so many people, they were losing their jobs and whatever. Here, I want to give one simple clarification. Because of the AI boom, huge demand. So many courses we are having, so many courses, but huge demand came data and business analytics. So I think here you got the clarification. So I think here you got the clarification about this. This is the safest course because of AI only, huge demand, and also after completing the course, if you try as a fresher or up to senior level, even if you try with 10 plus years of experience also, no problem, you can serve. And also another important point is job roles. So after completing the course in SIVASOFT, okay, how many possibilities you are having, that means regarding job roles. So the first trending role is what? AI. Our course also, it's completely AI powered course. AI enabled data analysis. So this is our trending role. Data analyst. This is a primary role. Of course, nowadays no primary, no data analyst. It's completely AI enabled data analyst. And next, see, this course includes business analytics also. So that means you can try as a business analyst. Even you can also try as a business intelligence. So today we are going to have only overview. So today we are going to have only overview of the program. Don't miss the tomorrow's technical demo, same time. So same time we are going to have a technical demo. So don't miss it. Okay. And next, market analysis. Then afterwards, operations analyst. Next, financial and banking analyst. So these are all some different job roles. So after completing the course, so these are all some different job roles. Okay, fine. So this is like an overview. Okay, so that means overview of the program. So already I said initially. So today we are going to have a demo one, overview of the program regarding all these things. Okay, lifetime portal access, live classes, doubts clarification, lab, and all this stuff, whatever we discussed up to. Okay, and tomorrow, same time, we are going to have a technical demo. So after attending the technical demo, then you can take the session. So don't miss the technical demo tomorrow. And after completing that demo, so till tomorrow 10:30 p.m. Okay, time will be there. If you are interested, you can pay the fee. After that, as usual, same time, we are going to have our regular classes. Okay. So now, if you have any queries, so you can type in the Google Meet chat box, or otherwise, okay, so just contact us. Already you know this WhatsApp number. Okay, so for some students from this WhatsApp number, you people got this Google Meet link. For some other students, you got from different number. It doesn't matter, whatever it may be, but this is our primary number. Okay, 99636 89248. The same number even available in our website also. So 99636 89248. So this is our WhatsApp number. So if you have any queries, okay, after completing the demo, you can ping us in WhatsApp also. Okay, fine. So next, let's say you want to speak with me directly, or otherwise you want to visit our institute. Okay, So in this scenario, so after this, as usual, ping us on WhatsApp. Okay, don't call directly because at a time we used to get more calls immediately after completing this demo class. Okay, so because of this specific reason, just ping us in WhatsApp. I'll be giving the reply. Based on that, we can have a call. Let's say, so you want to visit our institute or you want to speak with me directly. So the timings will be 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. I'm available. But here the important point is don't come directly to our institute. So before coming, just inform me in WhatsApp. Sir, I'm coming at some specific time. So based on that, I'm going to make my availability because you should not disappoint. Let's say you came to our institute, I'm not available. And also, I'm not only a trainer, I'm doing job. Okay, so that's the reason completely I'm working from home, something like a flexible shift. Okay, late nights I used to have some meetings. So at that time, it's mandatory. After that, I'm working under some flexible environment. So because of this specific reason, okay, so if you want to speak with me or if you want to come to our institute, okay, just inform me so that I'm going to check my availability. I'm going to let you know. Okay, so that's it regarding this demo class. Now, if you have any queries, you can type in chat box. Otherwise, you can ping us on WhatsApp. Okay. So any queries, you can type in chat box. And also, if you don't have any queries, you can leave the meeting. And tomorrow, same time, we are going to have technical demo. Okay.